If you have old, blurry, or low-resolution videos that deserve a second life, AI video enhancers can make a huge difference. Today, we'll look at the top 3 AI video enhancer tools to instantly improve video quality even up to 4000 with just one click. First, Picsman. Designed for simplicity and speed, Picsman uses advanced AI upscaling to sharpen details, remove noise, and enhance colors all automatically. Just upload your video, select the enhancement level, and Picsman transforms your footage into clean, high-definition clarity. Whether it's travel clips, vlogs, or old family videos, Picsman makes them look like they were filmed with a premium camera. Key highlights: 1-click 4K upscaling, AI noise and blur reduction, works directly in your browser, no editing experience required. Next is Picwand, another AI-powered enhancer known for its customizable controls. Picwand is great if you want more manual adjustment options. It may not always produce the sharpest 4K output, but its flexibility is great for content creators. Key highlights: adjustable enhancement settings, good for creators familiar with editing, improved stabilization, and detail recovery. Finally, Vmake, a tool popular among short-form video editors. It enhances video resolution and also offers creative editing features, perfect for social platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Perfect for quickly creating high-quality videos that are ready to share and trend on social media. Key highlights: social media-friendly editing tools, quick video enhancement, ideal for creators who publish frequently. So, whether you need simple 1-click 4K enhancement, customizable controls, or fast social-ready edits, these 3 AI video enhancers have you covered. To try Picsman and instantly enhance your videos to 4K, just click the link below and start transforming your footage today.